Private and luxurious, this dream estate on 10 acres is perfectly situated in a prestigious community with high-end homes, close to nature parks, and picturesque vineyards. Savor amazing mountain and valley views while enjoying remarkable amenities, including brand new pickleball courts, a huge heated shop, and multiple entertaining spaces. Extensively remodeled, discover modern, high-end, and designer finishes throughout this home of more than 4,700 square feet. Relax by the gas fireplaces and enjoy mountain views from numerous windows. The chef's kitchen is beautifully designed with high-end Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, custom cabinetry, built-ins, and a fully enclosed patio space, bringing the outside in. You'll also find an elegant, formal dining room. Glass doors open to the main-level office with spectacular views, plus a main-level bedroom suite with an exterior entrance. Upstairs, unwind in the huge primary suite with a gas fireplace and a peaceful private balcony. The luxurious ensuite bath features heated floors, a soaking tub, separate vanities, and a huge walk-in dual-head shower. The thoughtful layout includes 4 ensuite bedrooms, a home theater media room will elevate your family movie nights with a yoga studio or flex space, surround sound, and a wet bar. Melt away the stress of the day in your high-end hot tub. Experience happy hour on the decks with mountain views. Or gather by the fire pit and the custom rock waterfall pond. The garden area includes 12 raised beds. The large shop can hold your tractors, trailers, and motorhomes. And it includes a workshop or office, plus a heated home gym. Stroll through the endless trail system, created and maintained throughout the property. A separate, fully finished bunkhouse is perfect for a kid's playhouse or art studio. This property is full of excitement, adventure, and luxurious fun, all with meticulous craftsmanship. You'll find it all here on Bald Peak Road, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.